In this example, I will show you how to deal with part number confliction. First, let's start with inserting a document from V4 application, or in other words, dealing with model confliction. Click on the main product to be highlighted. To insert a document, click the existing component icon. Choose car body model. Car body is inserted into the main product. However, the part number conflict dialog box is displayed because there is part number confliction between the inserted car body and existed one. If you ask how this problem happens, in very plain words, in one assembly, if you insert a document and happened there is another one has the same component's name, and yet their data are not completely similar to each other, then definitely you will face a part number confliction. Now, just in the case of V4 documents, we can escape this problem by changing the level. In other words, relocate it under another document parent. But you may wonder, the inserted model is not sharing the same parent with the existing one. Then let me explain this to you. If you have one more look, you see body 1 is not a document. Or in other words, when the product structure created, body 1 inserted as a component and not as product. And therefore, the existing car body is technically located under the main product. Okay then, let's see how we solve this problem. Our first solution is by renaming one of them. Click the Rename button, and the following dialog box is displayed. Now, you can enter a new part number. Let's use plain body. Then click OK. Then another OK. Now, as I told you, we can escape this problem by inserting the new model using another parent. Then, let's see how to do it. First, let's close and reopen this file without saving. Let's insert the car body under landing gear. Then, highlight it. Click the existing component icon. Double-click car body. As you see, there is no problem. But I should remind you here, the solution is only suitable for documents that created in V4, like the car body model. The above two cases were about inserting documents from V4. Then, let's see how to deal with part number confliction in case of inserting CAT part document. In other words, documents from Vision 5. First, let's close and reopen this document without saving. Select the main product. To insert a component, click on existing component icon. Choose Piston 1. Part number conflict dialog box is displayed. As you see, this piston part has similar name to this inserted one, and yet they are not same in the contents. To solve this problem, let's use Rename option. As I told you, unlike the model document, using another parent is not helping in this case. To find more information, have a look on the File and Session Management subject.